Root out craving like birina grass for its fragrant root. Let not that repeatedly shatter you. Dhammapad 337. The person who is keen to get sweet smelling Usira roots must first dig up the birina grass roots. In the same way, dig up the roots of craving. If you did that, Mara death will not torture you over like a flood crushing ridge. Prosperity to you, I say to all assembled here. When needing grasses, fragrant root, so craving, extirpate. Don't let Mara break you again and again as a torrent reed. Dhammapad 337. Dong wo bodami bhaddong wo jabonte tho samagata. Ronhayo mulong khonotho usirotho wo biranong. Ma wo nolong wo sotto wo maro bhanji punah punong. Dhammapad 337.